What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I'm just going to go over the most popular, one of the most popular products on the channel, and that is the wall mount right here. The wall mount, the TV wall mount right here. This was the Studless TV wall mount. Somebody just asked the question. Well, there was I think it was a few questions in the comment section saying, so how is it still holding up? How is everything going? The TV is still holding up. Now, I only have like two regrets. I regret putting it up so high. So I have the TV in a good spot. If it was a 42-inch TV, well, monitor. This is not a TV, sorry. That's another thing that I mistakenly told y'all, I think. This is a monitor, and it's not 32 inches. This is a 27-inch monitor, I believe. I have to look up my old Best Buy receipts to give y'all the actual size. I probably will post it by now if I could find it. But I believe this is a 27-inch monitor. I have my 32-inch TV right here. So my 32-inch TV is right here. It's an old LCD, one of those. It's a older TV. Had it for over 10 years. It's old, you guys. That TV probably has to go. But anyways, that's blah blah blah. So one of the regrets that I have is hanging it up so high. For it being so small, the words are so small. I wear glasses, so it's very hard to see. And another thing is my neck is all the way up all the time, so I don't have it. I wish I would have brought it a little bit lower. Now, there's no problem. Y'all know my channel. I'm handyman. We jacking all trades on this channel. And, you know, all it is taking it down, take it off, patch it back up, patch all the hoses up, sponge whatever you patch up, and touch up paint. That's it. But with me, I'm getting bored of it now. So I have something else here in the arsenal that we are going to try out. I will try it out once again, and if I like it, I might give it to one of my kids, let them put it on their desk, because they're trying to get into this gaming thing on YouTube. They want to be YouTubers. We all want to be YouTubers, right? But so yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. Let me go ahead and show y'all real quick. Everything is good. Now, I didn't put the security cable here. Remember that security cable, if the TV falls, then the security cable is supposed to save the TV's life or the monitor's life. And I never put that on, and I don't even remember where I put the cable at, to be honest with y'all. But we are going to go ahead and take it down. Now, y'all remember my thumbnail. Gotta love this channel, you guys. So everything is still good. This is actually my first time taking it down since it's been up, and the nails are still intact. Nails. All right, there we go. Now we're back on, wiggling, jiggling, and everything is still good. I'm just holding it like this just in case if I wiggle too much, it don't nothing happen. But so far this thing is sturdy. You see how easy it is to take it off, put it back up. Now, in my situation, it will be off permanently, but I am saving the mount. I will put the mount somewhere else. Yeah, and I will probably use it for a different monitor or my future TV or whatever I'm going to do. So I will still have the mount on hand. It's been up for about 8 months now, you guys. It's almost been a year. I purchased it, no, about 10 months. This thing been up about 10 months. Like a couple more months, it'll be almost a year that this TV actually been on the wall like this. So it's time for a change. You know how your wife get, or husband, whoever's in the relationship who like moving furniture around. So my wife, she likes moving the furniture around. She don't want the bed to be in the same spot all the time. With me in the bedroom, the bed could be in the same spot for 20 years. I don't really care. But in my studio, it's another story. I want to move my TV. I don't want it to be up there no more. I want to do something else to my monitor. So yeah, so you know, it is what it is with that. But yeah, I am going to take this down because I have another review coming very shortly. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do that review right now. So that's the end of that. If anybody else asks me a question on how is the mount working, I will refer them to this video just to let them know that the mount for almost 1 year has lasted this long. And y'all see I was a little rough with it. Nothing has happened. Y'all see that? And I'm banging, and it's like 2 o'clock in the morning, and my wife probably will kill me, but she probably can't hear it because I'm in the basement. So yeah, that's about it, you guys.